Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to use Airtable to manage your running training schedule, creating a customized plan to get you race ready by 2025. Okay, let's jump in. First step, create a new base by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of the left sidebar. This new base will serve as the foundation for your running training schedule. Now, give it a name, like 2025 Running Training Schedule. This helps us because it keeps everything organized in one place and makes it easy to find your training schedule. Now that we've done that, we'll need to create the necessary fields. Click the plus button at the top of the grid to add a new field. We need a few essential fields: date, distance, time, and notes. The reason we do this is to track our progress over time, making it easy to see improvements and areas to focus on. Next up, let's fill in the data. Click on a cell under each field to add data. This could be the date you ran, the distance covered, the time taken, and any notes about the training session. This is key because it provides a record of your training and helps you stay on track. Now let's talk about views. Airtable has different views to help you visualize your data. Click on the Grid View dropdown and select Calendar View. This will display your running schedule in a calendar format, providing an at-a-glance overview of your training days. This matters because it helps you to see your training in a broader context, making it easier to plan and adjust as needed. Lastly, let's set up reminders. Click on the bell icon on the top right and set up a reminder for each training session. This helps us because, let's face it, we all need a little nudge sometimes to lace up those running shoes. And that's it. You've now set up your running training schedule using Airtable, giving you a personalized, flexible, and easy-to-use tool to manage your training and get you race ready by 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and happy running.